Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set color temperature on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, you have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side to open settings, then go to display and audio settings, then go to picture settings and select an input for which you want to change the picture settings. And now on the sidebar, we're gonna have to scroll down to advanced settings, and here we'll be able to change the color temperature. So just navigate to the option that you need and select it, and here you can change it between cool, standard and warm. And once you exit this menu, the changes will be applied. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.